Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. We have the scan tool, the X431 Pro, hooked up to the 2002 2500 HD Chevy. And we have a code in that. So Silverado. Let's go to health report, federal emissions, 5-speed automatic. And I'll just show you here what I'm going to do, and it's processing. So it found a fault, of course. We'll let it go through its thing. I'll be right back when it gets done, let you know what's going on. So we have a powertrain system fault. Let's go in and see what that is. Read fault code. Let's go to engine. Okay, so actually what that is the left front wheel speed sensor control circuit open. Sorry. So let's go back and go to the ABS and read the fault codes. Left front wheel left front wheel speed sensor circuit open. Okay, I'll put a link into it here because I know what that problem is. And actually Eric O quickly looked at it when I was up there, and we knew what it was. The left front, when I put the upper control arm on, the ABS sensor wire was already rubbed through, and I tried to I didn't have a coat at that time, so I tried to put some zip ties on it to the control arm, but they must have broke off, so it rubbed some more, and it threw this ABS code. So I know what it needs. It needs the wheel speed sensor, ABS sensor, on that left front wheel. With saying that, what I wanted to tell people was I put a Moog wheel bearing in that a while ago, and there's a video on that. I'll probably put a link to that. I put that on a while ago, and if you have to replace the wheel sensor in that hub, because it is a Moog, I've ran into this before, a factory one won't work. Or if you have a factory one or you try to put another one in, sometimes there's a variation in length of the sensor, and it will continue to give you a code. I had that problem with the other 2002 2500 HD. I ordered a replacement speed sensor for it, put it in the hub, and I still had the code. Then when I looked at them, they were different sizes. So what you want to be careful of is getting the right sensor, the right length sensor, to put back in the wheel hub when if it goes bad. The Frugal Prepper, him and I had a little discussion about that on his channel, because he said he saves them, which I said is great, but make sure you check them. So anyhow, that's just a quick tip. That's the problem I have. If I fix this or decide to, I'll make a video on it. But with the way these things go through wheel bearings, the wheel bearing will probably be shot again in no time, so I'll be getting a whole new wheel bearing and sensor and all. So I'm not worried about ABS brakes because, for years I never had them on my old cars, and I lived. So with saying that, this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. It'd be great. Thank you, folks. See ya.